Hey you guys, welcome back to an all new video. So today I'm going to be doing two unboxing on two kitchen items that I feel like I needed to have in my kitchen. With the holidays coming up, these are two perfect items I think would be good in anyone's kitchen. So here I have a strainer. One, I think what caught my attention the most is you could just put this on the pot. You don't have to worry about pulling out a strainer, putting it in the sink, pouring the noodles in there, and then pouring them back in the pot. You can just clamp that on to the pot and go on about your day. So yeah, I had to have that and try it out. Here I have my veggie chopper. I think this one only costed $20 on Amazon. Of course, y'all already know everything comes from Amazon. We go through this every day. Everything comes from Amazon. So yeah, I think I was scrolling down looking for garlic press, and I saw this, and I was like, shoot, I like this. It don't come with an electrical cord. I don't have to worry about unplugging my toasters or my blender or anything like that. I can just simply sit at my table and watch TV while I'm prepping my food and cut. So now my noodles are finished cooking. I'm just going to clamp these on to the pot, take it over to the sink, and see how it goes. And you guys, it clamps on really good. It's very sturdy. It didn't move not once. It didn't move at all. I thought it was probably going to slide off, but nope. It clamped on and stayed. So yeah, it's a must. 10 out of 10 in my book. None of my noodles fell out. I didn't have to worry about redumping it back in. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to try out the onion chopper, garlic chopper, vegetable chopper, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to give it a try. It's a multitasker. It does a lot. You can put tons of things in here. I'm going to rinse this off real quick. I forgot to do that when I took it out the box. And if you like me, I'm somebody that's always cutting myself. I'm always getting burnt. I know my bracket and what my expertise is. Cutting onions is not one of them. So this was perfect for me. Again, to each his own. If you want to be Chef Boyardee, Rachel Ray, whoever, go for it. By all means, cut it up, boo. But right here, look at that. Pull it. I was a little extra and did extra chops, but look at that. Look at that. Come on now, y'all. Yes. And it came with a lid. So if I don't want to have to worry about pulling out one of my Tupperware bowls, I could just put this lid right on top of that bad boy. Stick it right in the refrigerator. So with the holidays coming up, if y'all meal prep y'all vegetables the day before, like me, go on and purchase it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.